Welcome. In front of me I have Nintendo Switch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to open the quick settings menu on this console. Okay, so to open the quick settings on your console you need to press and hold the home button and keep holding it for maybe 2 seconds, second or two basically. So press and hold it, and after a second or two the menu will appear. And here we have the quick settings and we can do a couple of things here. We can tell our console to go into sleep mode, so if you tap on the sleep mode option the screen will turn off, and then you can wake it up by pressing the home button if you want to. We can turn on or off the auto brightness. We can adjust the brightness by swiping on the slider, and we can also adjust the volume, sound volume for a console, and you can turn on or off the airplane mode. And that's about all. And once you're done, you can turn off the screen by tapping or pressing the home button again. Okay, and that's how you access or enter or open the quick settings on this console. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.